Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about something that we hear quite often. It's a reason that we hear that people give us as to why they don't want a lawn care program or why they don't think it's worth it. And what they say is that, well, my neighbor doesn't take care of their lawn. Their yard is always full of weeds. Thus, there's no point in me doing anything because those weeds are just going to move over into my yard no matter what I do. Or they might say that they live next to a field or a cow pasture or something, and there's no point in doing anything because all these weeds just come from those fields into my lawn, and they just take over. Well, there is the concept there is true. You know, if you do have neighbors or a pasture or something next to you that's full of weeds, they will make their way into your yard. But the myth is that you don't need a lawn care program, that's not going to help. The reality is that pre-emergent is pre-emergent. Whether you have 10 seeds in your lawn, weed seeds, or 1,000, pre-emergent is going to kill those seeds, and it doesn't matter where they came from. So the reality is, if you're one of those people that lives next to someone that doesn't take care of their lawn or a field or something, then you more than anyone need to have a good lawn care program and a good pre-emergent put down, because you can still prevent those weeds from coming up. So just take this yard for example. This behind me here is all weeds. There's no turf over here. It's all just native grasses and weeds growing. The backyard's the same way, and then around this property is the cow pasture. There's hundreds of acres of cow pasture around this property. But if you look at the yard, it's in perfect condition. It's weed free. It's exactly what you want it to look like right now. It's in perfect condition. So the reality is this yard had a pre-emergent put down, so it doesn't matter what everybody else is doing and what everything around this yard is doing, as long as you put the right products down at the right time. So right now is the time to do it. You've got to get it done right now, or it's not going to work. If you wait too long, it'll be too late, and those weeds will start to come from other properties or fields or pastures, and they'll fill up your yard, and you'll have a huge weed problem. So we can help you with it. Let us know. Shoot us a message, an email. Click the link below and fill out the form, and we will get you an estimate in no time and get you on our schedule before it's too late to keep the weeds out of your yard this year. So hope that helps. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.